Hey guys, Ashir from Hashtag and welcome back to my new video. Oppo Find X2 has been confirmed today. There will be two smartphones this year and they will carry Oppo Find X2 and Oppo Find X2 Pro. Both headsets have been recently spotted on the MBTC certification website confirming their respective names. The Oppo Find X2 bears the Oppo CPS 2020 and Oppo Find X2 Pro in the CBS 2023 model number. Both smartphones will use Samsung's OLED display technology and it will also feature a 120Hz refresh rate. This info has been confirmed by the brand Shane, the company's VP. Interestingly, Oppo has 65-watt SuperVOOC fast charging technology because of the display demand a lot of energy. As per the earlier leak, the Oppo Find X2 is all set to come to the market with a 6.5-inch QHD Plus display with an ultra-clear screen of 240Hz touch sampling rate. However, the user has an option to change the 60Hz refresh rate and the 120Hz refresh rate. As we told before, Oppo and Sony have developed the HiMS 689 together with a 48-megapixel camera sensor. It will come with a no omnidirectional autofocus that is set to supersede dual-pixel autofocus. This will have a secondary HiMax 708 sensor behind an ultra-wide-angle lens along with a third 13-megapixel telephoto camera capable of 5x hybrid optical zoom. Under the hood, it will carry a Snapdragon 865 chip paired with a LPDDR5 RAM. Another rumor suggesting the Oppo Find X2 will come with a no moon face design. Anyway, we'll see more rumors in coming days. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Find X2 in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Oppo phones. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Hamashkar from Hashtag.